Hello everybody, how are you guys? If you are in the same boat as me, my skin has been absolute crap lately, so I went to the Dollar Tree, which is probably the last place you would ever look for face stuff. But you know what? I'm gonna try this stuff anyways and let you guys know what I think. So this bath bomb is a black charcoal bath bomb. I think it smelled really freaking weird and I didn't really like it, not gonna lie. There's no real scent I can tell you that it smells like besides like an older person. That's the nicest way I'm gonna say it, but definitely not a fan of this bath bomb, but it was $1, so I mean, whatever. I was trying to find a scent on the back, but I couldn't find one. So moving on, the next thing I got were these really cool facial wipes. They are from the Bolero brand, which is what I went to the dollar store for because of TikTok. I saw that this brand is really good and had really good ingredients. So this one is the Jasmine and Orange Blossom scent. And it is a cleanse, hydrate, and repair 3-in-1 makeup wipes thing. So I actually really like the scent of these and I keep them on my nightside table because of how well they work. They really just take that makeup right off. You guys are probably like, girl, why do you have black makeup around your eye filming a video? It's so I could use these on camera, so you're welcome for looking like a raccoon when I got on. But yeah, I actually really like these. They smell great, and 30 of them for $1, like Dollar Tree outdid themselves. So then the next thing I got was this eye cream, and it is the same scent, the Jasmine and Orange Blossom. The ingredients are also really good on it. All of these start with water as their main ingredient, and then I had a visitor that I really wanted to show you guys, so I got distracted really quick. This is Taya. If you guys haven't seen my other videos of her, she is my boyfriend's puppy and I am obsessed with her. I love her so much, and she's about 7 weeks old in this video. So yeah, then I touched my face right after I touched the dog, which is very sanitary and probably why I have acne. But this is the eye cream. I didn't really love it. I didn't hate it. I'm not a big eye cream user, but it is very lightweight. So I'd say it's more of like a lightweight lotion. So if you're like someone that wants something for your eyes that's not super heavy, I would highly recommend this. Yeah, I mean, there was nothing bad about it. For $1, I definitely like it. It felt really refreshing right before I put my makeup on. I used it on a different day. The next thing is the Soothing Facial Gel Hydrator. So this is the cucumber and aloe one. I actually got it because if I get sunburn over the summer, I wanted to be able to use this and maybe help, you know, tone down the sunburn. I also have really dry skin, so this was really freaking cool, and the main ingredient was water as well, so highly recommend it. I put way too much on my hand right there, as you can see, but you know, less is more. No, wait, that's completely opposite. I put way too much. Whatever. The only negative thing is it is kind of heavy and really sticky at first, but it did dry after a couple minutes. It just doesn't dry as quick as like normal lotion, but I really liked it. I felt like it really hydrated my skin all day, and yeah, I didn't wear makeup this whole day that I did all this. So the next thing that I got were these blemish patches, and oh my gosh, I got these because of a TikTok specifically. They are non-medicated, but you're supposed to leave them on for like 6 to 8 hours, so I guess while you sleep, but I wanted to film this video, so I literally put these on my face and wore them to run errands, but they were pretty see-through so you couldn't see them. I also loved that I wasn't touching my face all day because I do have a habit of picking, so wearing them really, you know, prevented me from picking. I put them on 2 of my really bad icky blemishes, and I've been wearing a mask lately, like I said, so I've been pulling it down and it's been sitting on my jawline, which is why my jawline has been breaking out as well as my cheeks. So I put it on 2 of my problem areas and I was like, all right. Oh, and I had to show you guys these lashes. They were $1 and I was absolutely obsessed with them. I ended up trying them a different day so I could show you guys in the video. So I'm gonna insert a clip of those right here. They're so pretty. They're like very everyday, like a little bit extra, but whatever. I went and ran some errands for about 6 hours and put those 2 blemish patches on my skin. This is me about 6 to 8 hours later after I ran a bunch of errands. I really felt like my skin was glowing, not gonna lie. But I pulled the patches off, both of them. The one on my cheek ended up like, I mean, that's pretty nasty. Like, I'm literally showing my zits on the full screen. So you guys, I hope you guys appreciate this. But I ended up popping it, which I don't recommend, and I felt like it helped. The one on my jawline, so hear me out. The one in the back, I didn't have anything on. The one in the front is the one that I had the patch on. The one in the front cleared up really quick. The one in the back gave me issues. So I am going to say that it worked really well because, I mean, the other one didn't clear up. But yeah, so this is my little Dollar Tree haul. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I will probably do this again because thank you, TikTok, for recommending this stuff. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys next Thursday. Bye.